What's up guys, it's Parker. Today is going to be an awesome day. We're going to a local racetrack called M1 Concours, and we're going to be driving some supercars around the track. Special thanks to Extreme Experience for reaching out to me and saying, hey, would you like to drive a Huracan around a racetrack? Why anyone would say no to that question, I don't know, but I'm gonna be driving my Huracan to the track, and now I get to track someone else's car without worrying about tires and brakes, and get some instruction from a professional instructor. Also, potentially, there's gonna be a 570S that we can drive, and rumor has it, Eddie's favorite brand is Mclaren, so I'm gonna make sure that he gets in a 570S because his reaction is going to be probably the funniest thing ever. This is how organized I keep my camera gear. It's kind of sad. Hero 4 black on a helmet mount for point of views. Another Hero 4 black, Canon 5D. Some random batteries and accessories. Here we are at the track. The perks of a Huracan. I'm not supposed to be parking in here, but the owner of the facility is letting me bring my car, so it's a little bit safer than across the street. All right, we're at the track, and these cars are ripping around. About to go through some classes. Apparently they have a really cool simulator here.
Instead of a golf outing, come and bring your team to driving session when he gets here, so he doesn't have to miss anything.
Class time.
I'm excited. You excited? Yeah? This is the newest simulator from Erstes. It's a full motion system that utilizes a lot of Fanatec motion components, 3-screen setup, and their own proprietary central cone motion system. There's a lot of different simulators on the market. This is the best one because the placement of that cone gives you the best tilt, pitch, and roll out of everything that you can get. If you want to hop in, I'll get it set up for you. And you're going to immediately go to like 80% brake, hard brake, hard brake.
Dude, and Eddie crashes on the first. Nice. Could have bet 20 bucks he was going to crash on the first turn. I'm never riding in a car with him again.
If it's green, trust that you have traction.
Getting ready to do a lap in the lead car in the passenger seat to get a feel for the track, and then we're going to be out there ourselves in the 570S.
Squeeze the brakes. Here's my turn in. Again, keep your foot steady through here. Don't accelerate, don't decelerate. Maintenance throttle. You see the apex, roll on gently. Little bit of gas, little bit more, little bit more.
You excited, Eddie?
I'm very excited.
I'm excited!
Listen to that GT.
I'm excited! He's excited! So we're gonna do the 570S, the 580-2, and he's gonna do a GT3.
White GT3, that's very loud.
GT3 is one of my favorite driving cars of all time.
So
You're gonna like it.
You're
gonna like it. All right, we're in the Mclaren 570S with Tom. It's gonna be fun. Driven the 650S. This one's lighter and actually has a similar power to weight ratio as a 650.
All right, we are recording video. This is Parker in the Mclaren 570S at M1 Concours with Extreme Experience. Hi, everybody.
Oh no, Eddie's in front of me. Give him space.
For how long? That's the question.
Are you allowed to pass?
Yeah, we'll arrange the passing. If you use the paddles, it'll listen to you. Add some gas. Lift and brake. Gentle gas as you turn. Gentle gas again. Lift. Brake gently. Get right up on it. Brake again. Brake hard. This is a first gear corner. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There you go. right there is first gear. Everything else is second and third. You're doing great. You got a better line than he does too. Nice, right there. Medium gas here. Make your turn. Let's get by him. Okay, Porsche, time to give us a point, please.
Copy that. Alright, we're going to come around. We're going to let him go by, so we're going to stick to the left. Stick to the left, left. We're going to let him pass by.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes. Lift and brake. Brake some more. Come left and then right. Yeah, that's the better way to handle it. Easy gas at first. Come around here, get yourself straight. Nail it. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Now lift and brake. Yeah, we got him. Big brakes. Slow it down. Oh, you hit our cone.
Sorry.
Parker hit our cone.
I'm sorry.
Nice driving. What'd you think of the car?
Fun. It doesn't respond quite in
Turbo
the
lag.
straights like I like, but
It's got that
it
computer
felt
control
it's lighter than the Huracan for sure.
Our recording video. This is Eddie in the Mclaren 570S at M1 Concourse. Yes, with extreme experience. Hi, everybody.
Say hello to YouTube. Tom?
Hey, YouTube. So just to review, it's go down the track, grab your brakes,
Okay.
and try to stay right close to the cones.
Okay.
Here comes your first cone here, this orange one. A nice gentle gas as you turn. And then squeeze on the gas. Go ahead. Feel that turbo spool up? It's pretty nice. Lift and brake. Push those brakes down for me. Good. Gentle gas as you turn. Onto this last orange cone. Easy gas. Make the turn. And now push it on. Go ahead. Yes. Yes.
Come around. Down that straight. Pull on that gas. Run it. Very nice.
Right between the green cones. Brake again. Brake some more. Brake some more.
Oopsies.
I need you to brake it in a straight line a little sooner now.
All right, my bad.
And go. Nice. Yes.
Excellent. Very nice. Side roll on it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Excellent. Brake. Come around left. Way ahead. Roll on that gas.
And now add a lot of gas. Beautiful. Lift and brake. Eddie, this is awesome.
Going fishing? What happened?
I'm not sure what he's doing, but go ahead. Oh, he says going fishing, so they're backing off and catching up again.
Oh, okay.
Because they can go a lot faster than the lead car, so nice and easy. And now add gas. Beautiful.
Roll on it. Come back out here. Very nice. Remember, late apex, late apex. All the way out. Tight, tight, tight. Roll on that gas. You got it.
Lift and brake. Brake some more, get it done early. More braking.
Alright, I gotta
I
break more.
really need you to brake
Okay.
more there.
Okay.
No. There we go.
Gas is definitely transfer. Nice. A little more. There we go. Back on it. Perfect. Light lift and back up. Big brake. Come around left. Very nice. Roll. Perfect. Come around right. That gas all the way out.
Good. Now you can add a touch more gas. Now over the yellow line. Big brakes. Haul it down. Big brakes. Fabulous. Gentle gas for the turn. Eddie, you're doing a lot better. Here's that turbo. Here it
Yeah,
comes.
there's a bit of lag right there.
There's a bit of lag. You got it. And then it just keeps giving and giving and giving. Lift brake. Ah. Nice. Nice. Very well done. Eddie, give it up, man. Boom.
That is a lot of fun. I love this car a lot.
Very nice driving, man.
Thank you.
Best hairpin I've seen all day.
Hell
Got
yeah.
really good on that late apex.
Just finished up on the track. Wow, that was an incredible day. The CEO of the company is now with Eddie. He has 2 of these already on the track, but hasn't driven an i8, so he's enamored. He's enamored with the technology. I'm stoked about my decision to get this instead of waiting for a 570S. It's got electronically controlled turbos that they don't kick in if the wheel's pointed at an angle. If it's pointed straight, you get that full turbos. But
Golf cart mode.
what do you think of the GT3?
Oh my god, it was so good.
The GT3 is...
Everything is so linear, the power is great. That one has an aftermarket exhaust and it just screams up the red line.
Yeah.
Transmission PDK is unbelievably good as usual. And oh my, you can kind of feel the forward steer like pulling, oh, it just...
It's an awesome car.
Oh,
what do you
I
think of the
liked it
570? Like
I
that
loved it
too?
a lot too. The 570 was more refined, like the interior, I liked it more.
Yep.
It was, the noise was different. I mean, it's a different experience, but I think I want a 570S now.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Well, this was one hell of an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse our channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next Eddie with a Wig.